Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping on your TikTok Shop 2024. So let's get started. So here we are in shop.tiktok.com, and this is where you want to be first if you are going to set up your free shipping, and you want to make sure that you're logged in here. So you want to click on this button right here and provide your login details and just make sure that you're logged in. And then once you're done with that, then you would be able to go here into the Seller Center or the home page of your account right here. And then once your account, to get here into the promotional tools, all you have to do is click here on promotions. And then once this pops up, then you want to click on the promotional tools, because this is where you would want to be in order for you to see the promotional tools that is available for you. So as you can see right here, you have a lot, but what you need is the shipping fee discount right here. So as you can see right here, in my case, it is not available because this tool is only available to sellers who have passed their probationary period. In my case, my account is fairly new, so I don't really have that right now. I don't have this option available. But if in your case, you should check that out and see if it is available for you. And if it is, then you can click on the create button right here, and then you would be able to create your or set up your free shipping here in TikTok Shop. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.